Hello everyone, this is JP Govind, chemistry lecturer. Let us study today about electromotive force. In that, let us consider a subtopic as concentration cells. What do you mean by concentration cell? Let us study in detail. By definition, an EMF is generated by the transfer of matter from one half cell to the another half cell because of change in concentration of the electrolyte. This is nothing but concentration cells. Concentration cells again has been divided into two types. One is electrode concentration cell and the next is electrolyte concentration cell. In electrode concentration cell, the first type is electrode concentration cell without transference. Again, in electrolyte concentration cell, there are two types. First is electrolyte concentration cell without transference and electrolyte concentration cell with transference. Now let us study in detail one by one. What do you mean by electrode concentration cell without transference? In these cells, the EMF arises from difference in concentration of two similar gas electrodes or amalgam electrodes. These two electrodes are in contact with same solution of electrolyte. The electrode must be reversible to the ions of the solution. In this case, there is no direct migration of ions. Let us consider an example for electrode concentration cell without transference. This consists of two hydrogen electrodes which are in contact with HCl solution containing H plus ions. In this case, the concentration of the electrolyte not responsible for EMF. Now let us consider the representation of the cell, that is Pt, H2 at a pressure of P1 bar HCl bar H2 at a pressure P2, Pt. Now let us consider the cell reaction one by one, that is oxidation. Here under the oxidation, the reaction takes place. Half H2 P1 gives rise to H plus E minus. By Nernst equation, the potential of electrode is given as E is equals to E naught plus RT by NF ln oxidation by reduction. Then as we are taking an hydrogen electrode, we know that the standard EMF of hydrogen electrode is found to be of about 0 and n is equals to 1. Then the above equation becomes EL is equals to RT by NF ln oxidation by reduction. Then from the above equation, in place of oxidation, we can write as H plus, and to represent the reduction, we can write as P1 power half. Then later on, let us come to the another half cell of the reaction, that is reduction. In case of reduction, that is H plus E minus gives rise to half H2 at a pressure of P2. By Nernst equation, the potential of electrode is given as E is equals to E naught plus RT by NF ln oxidation by reduction. Again, the hydrogen electrode, the standard hydrogen electrode has an EMF of 0 and n is equals to 1. Then the above equation becomes ER is equals to RT by NF ln oxidation by reduction. Then the final answer, ER is equals to RT by F ln H plus, concentration of H plus by P2 power half. The total cell reaction is given as sum of the two half cells reactions. Then half H2 at a pressure of P1 gives rise to H plus E minus. Then half H plus E minus gives rise to half H2 P2. Then the total overall cell reaction becomes half H2 P1 gives rise to half H2 P2. The EMF of the above cell is given as E cell is equals to E cathode minus E anode. E cell is equals to ER minus EL. E cell is equals to, substitute the value of ER and EL in this equation, we get RT by F ln concentration of H plus by P2 power half minus RT by F ln concentration of H plus by P1 power half. Then E cell is equals to RT by F ln concentration of H plus by P2 power half If we reverse this P1 and H plus, we will get plus sign there. RT by F ln P1 power half by H plus. Then E cell is equals to RT by F is a common term. Then the leftover term is ln H concentration of H plus by P2 power half plus ln P1 power half by concentration of H plus. It is looking like as ln M plus ln M. Ln M plus ln N can also be written as it is towards the right hand side, that is ln M into N. Then the next equation becomes E cell is equals to RT by F ln concentration of H plus by P2 power half into P1 power half by concentration of H plus. Then the above equation becomes E cell is equals to RT by F ln P1 power half by P2 power half, as the concentration of H plus in the numerator and denominator get cancels. Then later on, if we take P2 to the numerator, then the equation becomes E cell is equals to minus RT by F ln P2 power half by P1 power half. In these cells, the cell reaction is only transfer of half a mole of hydrogen from P1 to P2. This is the expansion of half mole of H2 from P1 to P2. Then the E cell is equals to minus RT by F ln P2 by P1 power half. It is looking like as an ln M power N, that is towards your right hand side. Ln can be written as N ln M. Then the equation becomes E cell is equals to minus RT by F into half ln P2 by P1. Then the equation becomes E cell is equals to minus RT by 2F ln P2 by P1 is the final answer. E cell is equals to minus RT by 2F ln P2 by P1 is our final answer. Now let us consider the second type of concentration cells, that is electrolyte concentration cell without transference. These are the cell in which EMF develop because of difference in concentration of two solutions of electrolyte. In these electrolyte are not in direct contact with one another. These cells are obtained by combination of two simple cells. In these electrodes are reversible to ions of the electrolyte. The electrode at which the oxidation takes place must be reversible to cation of the electrolyte. The electrode at which reduction takes place must be reversible to anion of the electrolyte. Two such cells with different concentration of electrolyte are connected, so EMF of one cell opposes the EMF of the another cell. For example, let us consider one such simple cell. The representation of the cell is Pt, H2 bar HCl of activity A1 bar AgCl Ag. The hydrogen electrode is reversible to the H plus of the HCl, and the AgCl Ag electrode is reversible to Cl minus of HCl. Let us consider a cell reaction such as oxidation. Half H2 gives rise to H plus plus E minus. According to the Nernst equation, the potential of the electrode is given as EL is equals to E0 plus RT by NF ln constant oxidation by reduction. As it is an hydrogen electrode where the E0 of the hydrogen electrode is found to be of about 0 and N is equals to 1, then EL is equals to RT by F ln oxidation by reduction. So substitute the value of oxidation and reduction in the above equation. We get EL is equals to RT by F ln concentration of H plus by P2 power half, where the concentration of H plus can also be written in terms of activity, that is concentration of H plus is equals to A1 H plus. Then the above equation becomes EL is equals to RT by F ln A1 H plus by P2 power half. If we considered the pressure as 1 atmosphere, then P power half can also be considered as 1. Then the final equation becomes EL is equals to RT by F ln A1 H plus. Then let us consider a reduction where the reaction takes place, that is AgCl gives rise to Ag plus Cl minus, then Ag plus E minus gives rise to Ag. Then the total reaction becomes AgCl plus E minus gives rise to Ag plus Cl minus. Then the potential of this reduction electrode is given as ER is equals to E naught Ag-AgCl plus RT by NF ln oxidation by reduction. Then ER is equals to E naught Ag-AgCl plus RT by F ln AgCl by concentration of Ag and concentration of Cl minus, where here N is equals to 1. Then the AgCl is concentration of AgCl is equals to the concentration of Ag is found to be of about unity. Then the above equation becomes ER is equals to E naught Ag-AgCl plus RT by F ln 1 by Cl minus, where the Cl minus, concentration of Cl minus can also be written in terms of their activity, that is A1 Cl minus. Then the final equation becomes ER is equals to E naught by Ag-AgCl minus RT by F ln A1 Cl minus. Then the total cell reaction is given as half of H2 gives rise to H plus E minus, where AgCl plus E minus gives rise to Ag plus Cl minus. Then the overall reaction becomes half of H2 plus AgCl gives rise to H plus Ag plus Cl minus, or it can also be written as half of H2 plus AgCl gives rise to Ag plus HCl of activity A1. Call it as equation 1. The EMF of the above cell is given as E cell dash is equals to ER minus EL. E cell dash is equals to E naught Ag-AgCl minus RT by F ln A1 Cl minus RT by F ln A1 H plus. We got this with the half cell reaction with respect to oxidation and reduction. Then the next equation becomes E cell dash is equals to E naught Ag-AgCl minus RT by F ln A1 HCl. Call it some equation 2. Let us consider another similar cell in which activity of the HCl is A2. The cell reaction is given as Pt, H2 bar HCl A2 bar AgCl Ag. The above first cell is similar to that of the second cell. Then directly we can write the total cell reaction is written as that of the above what we have written. Then the equation becomes half of H2 plus AgCl gives rise to Ag plus HCl A2. Call it as some equation 3. The EMF of the above cell is given as E double dash of cell is equals to E naught Ag-AgCl minus RT by F ln A2 HCl. Call it some equation 4. That the cell reaction and also EMF of the second type of cell is written similarly to that of the first cell. Then these two cells must be connected back to back so that the EMF of one opposes the EMF of the another cell. Therefore, the total cell reaction is given as Pt, H2 bar HCl A1 bar AgCl AgCl bar HCl A2 bar H2, Pt. The total cell reaction is given as the difference between equation 1 and equation 3. Then we get half of H2 plus AgCl minus half of H2 hyphen AgCl gives rise to Ag plus HCl of activity A1 minus Ag hyphen HCl of activity A2. Then the similar terms cancels each other. Then leftover term is HCl of activity A1 minus HCl of activity A2. Therefore, HCl A2 gives rise to HCl A1. The EMF of this cell is given as E cell is equals to E cell dash minus E double dash cell. Then substitute the value of E dash of cell and E double dash of cell in this equation. We get E cell is equals to E naught of Ag hyphen AgCl minus RT by F ln A1 HCl minus E naught of Ag hyphen AgCl minus RT by F ln A2 HCl. Then open the square brackets. We get E cell is equals to E naught of Ag hyphen AgCl minus RT by F ln A1 HCl minus E naught of Ag hyphen AgCl plus RT by F ln A2 HCl. E naught of plus and E naught of minus cancels each other. Then the above cell equation becomes E cell is equals to RT by F ln A2 HCl minus RT by F ln A1 HCl. Therefore, E cell is equals to, if we consider RT by F as common, then the leftover term is ln A2 HCl minus A1 HCl. This is looking like as ln M minus ln N. That can also be written as ln M by N. Then the final equation becomes E cell is equals to RT by F ln A2 HCl by A1 HCl. So, to check out the second type of electrolyte concentration cell with transference, please refer to the next video.